Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Settings and heading to Display and Brightness, or Accessibility if you prefer more control. Tap Text Size to access the slider. This immediately changes dynamic type in many apps. You're doing this now because it affects most system fonts quickly. If you want even smaller text, go to Accessibility Display and Text Size for extra options. Once done, you'll be positioned to fine-tune and test without restarting the phone. Now fine-tune using the text size slider. Drag left to make fonts smaller and watch sample text change. Make sure larger accessibility sizes is off if you want the smallest available. It enlarges instead. For apps like Mail or Books, open their in-app text controls because some override system settings. You're doing this to balance readability with screen real estate. After adjusting, check Common Apps to confirm the size. Finish by visiting Accessibility Display and Text Size to toggle bold text, reduce transparency, or adjust contrast. These change perceived size and clarity. If some apps ignore changes, force quit them or restart the iPhone so they reload system settings. Make sure apps themselves don't have independent text controls. If sizes still misbehave, update iOS or reinstall the app. That usually solves conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle the setting off and back on to force a refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.